Welcome to another episode of Tech Root with Sushil Mehta, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating world of dynamic routing protocol, specifically OSPF. Prepare to dive deep into the world of dynamic routing protocol, OSPF. To start with, OSPF stands for Open Shortest Path First. It is a routing protocol for Internet Protocol (IP) networks. Essentially, OSPF is the postman of the Internet, diligently delivering packets of information from one node to another. A fundamental part of network engineering, OSPF ensures that data finds the quickest and most efficient route from point A to point B. But how does it do this? OSPF uses a link-state routing algorithm. This algorithm allows it to examine the entire network's layout and calculate the shortest path for data to travel. It's like having a map of the entire internet and always knowing the quickest route to your destination. OSPF operates within a single autonomous system, meaning it's used for routing within a network controlled by a single organization. This makes it an essential tool for large enterprises, internet service providers, and anyone else managing a sizable network. Now that we've covered the basics of OSPF, let's move on to how it works. OSPF works by using the Dijkstra algorithm to calculate the shortest path to each node. But what does that really mean? Simply put, the Dijkstra algorithm, named after its creator, is a mathematical formula that helps OSPF routers to determine the most efficient route to send data. The process begins with OSPF routers exchanging information about the network with their neighbors. This exchange of information is what we in the tech world call routing updates. The OSPF routers then use these updates to maintain a database of the network's topology. This database is like a map, giving the routers a snapshot of the network's layout. Using this map, the Dijkstra algorithm calculates the shortest path to each node. This shortest path is then used to direct data traffic through the network, ensuring efficient data transfer. That's the nuts and bolts of how OSPF works. But how does it handle changes in the network? Change is the only constant in networking, and OSPF handles this quite efficiently, the open shortest path. First Protocol is always on its toes, updating its link state database whenever there are alterations in the network. It's like a diligent librarian, constantly organizing and updating their catalog. This capability to swiftly adapt to network changes is a real strength of OSPF, providing a reliable and accurate representation of the network at any given time. Change management is one of OSPF's strong suits, making it a reliable choice for dynamic routing. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the dynamic routing protocol OSPF. We've explored the basics, delved into how it operates, and examined its response to network changes. Thanks for joining us at Tech Root with Sushil Mehta. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions on all things tech.